Hello, this is Frank with Simply Bananas. Welcome back. This year looks like it's going to be a banner year for banana fruits. You're probably going to have way more than you can possibly eat. So in this video, we're going to show you how to actually freeze them properly. Make the most use out of your homegrown bananas. You know, it's pretty common to get well over 100 bananas off of one rack of bananas from your backyard plants. You can only eat a small portion of them, so we're going to show you the proper method on how we freeze them and how we think it works best. The first step is to wait until your bananas are at your favorite point of ripeness. Please peel your bananas first. Peel them and put them on a cookie tray or a plate or something like that, and that will help them. If you put them into a bag straight away, they're all going to be glopped together and be a big banana mess when you try to separate them. When they are frozen, go ahead and dump them into a Ziploc bag for use later on. One of the best things you can do with them is use them as smoothies. So take a few frozen bananas out of the bag and throw them into the blender with your favorite mixes, and you'll make a delicious smoothie. However, what we like to do is eat them frozen, just like a popsicle or some ice cream. They're really delicious that way. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.